Yeah, my name is Eddie Rema. I'm a reporter and broadcaster here at the Voice of America. I work for the Central Africa Service. We basically cover the Great Lakes region of Africa, Rwanda, Burundi, some parts of Uganda, Tanzania, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The theme of this year, which is journalism in election times and disinformation, I believe it's a timely theme, given the kind of disinformation and fake news that is going on all over the world. One should remember here in the United States of America, whereby fake accounts were created by Russians, as we hear, basically to either tarnish the competitors or try to promote the other competitor. So it's something that is becoming a big problem. It's affecting elections across the world, especially in Africa, whereby internet is trying to take root. And most people are using either fake accounts. There's the growth of citizen journalism, where people come out with fake YouTube accounts, basically to either try to character assassinate opponents and also spread rumors. And I think it's timely for the world media right now to have a theme like this, which is journalism and elections in times of disinformation. So I think it's our role as classic journalists to find a way of countering this kind of disinformation, because at the end of the day, it takes away the independence of the voters when they base their decisions on wrong information.